Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing any documents that use the font so Photoshop releases it. Once done, open Photoshop and go to the Type menu to confirm the font name. Make sure you have admin access to remove files on your system. Next, open your OS Font Manager, Finder, or Windows Fonts and locate the exact font file. That file is what Photoshop reads. You'll need the file path to remove it. Keep Photoshop open, but not using that font as you proceed. Now you remove the font at the system level so Photoshop no longer loads it. On Mac OS, open Fontbook, select the font family, validate if needed, then choose Remove. If multiple styles exist, delete them all. On Windows, open Control Panel Fonts, find the font, right-click and delete. If deletion is blocked, quit Photoshop and any other app using it, or use Task Manager to ensure the process is stopped. Once removed, empty the trash or confirm deletion. Finish by restarting Photoshop so it refreshes its font cache and no longer shows the removed font. Make sure to check Type menus and the Character panel. If the font still appears, quit Photoshop and delete its font cache files or reset preferences to force a rebuild. If deletion failed due to file corruption or permissions, validate the font in the OS Font tool, repair permissions, or reboot and repeat removal. If problems persist, reinstall the Font Manager or Contact System, support for locked file cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.